Like Ron, brethren, sister, and investor, trader, capitalist. I mean, whoever you are in America, I just want to say that this is a wonderful time to be alive. You know, because the blockchain is a wonderful thing. I'm sorry to ruin your day, on this rainy day, but the blockchain, Bitcoin, Ethereum, it's changing lives. Even though no one can make money right now, even though no one can make sense of what's happening in the market, to Bitcoin, to Ethereum, to your favorite altcoin, to your gaming altcoin, to your AI altcoin, to your GPU, to your real world assets, to your favorite meme coin. I mean favorite, what is on Ethereum, Arbitrum, Solana, especially Solana. It's like those who are in it or were in it these past 5 to 10 years can see plays, can see opportunities. But us, not even early investors, but early investors, me personally, I'm soon to be vet. After when the bull market starts, I will be a vet in this space. And what I urge you to do as my fellow investor, as my fellow trader, as my fellow blockchain maxi, Bitcoin max, is to learn the blockchain, okay? Stop thinking about the gains. The gains will come over a long period of time. Sometimes the short term isn't in your favor. Sometimes you have to think long term. And that's okay. And this is why we dollar cost average. This is why we get, a foundation and the CeFi, which is a centralized exchange. And then we go to DeFi, a decentralized exchange. Sometimes we just use MetaMask. MetaMask is usually the go-to. If you have any other DeFi, decentralized exchange, it's okay. Just don't get hacked. Okay, that's the number one rule. Don't click on links that you're not supposed to be clicking on, my good sir, my good ma'am. And always be prepared for volatility. And always be prepared for not the short term, the long term aspect, the long term, okay? I always forget the long term aspect of Bitcoin, of Ethereum, of Solana, of Arbitrum, of Sui, of Base, of everything. And even your subnets, even your L2s, you have to understand everything is in a cycle, and it goes up, at the same time, but at certain paces. We all know the Bitcoin, the Ethereum, and then the altcoins, but they all shuffle up, 2, 5, 10% on the way. And then the big pushes, we got the 20 to 50% on the altcoins. And it's an amazing thing. And this is why I say don't give up. Do not give up on the blockchain, okay? This is generational wealth. You don't lose if you don't sell. You don't lose if you don't sell. Remember, AI is taking over the world, literally the world. It's stocks in AI. Everyone is talking about AI. And guess what goes with AI? A lot of things. But most importantly, the most tangible thing that anyone can use with AI is, like ChatGPT, stuff like that, or gaming, gaming. and art and anything incorporated with technology. So you have to understand that there's going to be a big move, and it might not be in the stock market. It might not be in the stock market. So you have to look at the blockchain. The blockchain is the bigger picture with the president of the United States, and everybody connected to him, his family, everybody. The laws that's coming into place, the Clarity Act. I mean, it's going to give us clarity, right? So, and even so many more aspects, and we can go even deeper to the World Economic Forum. You know what I'm saying? Tokenization, everything. And they thought Bitcoin was going to be dead by 2025. It's 2026, and they're all trying to run and race for Bitcoin. Race for it. We got this in the bag. And I'll leave you off with one thing and one thing only. Stay strong and stay true to your convictions. That altcoin, and please let it not be a meme coin, because I don't speak on meme coins. It's a community thing. You have to think of business-wise probabilities, okay? Think of artificial intelligence. Think of gaming. Think of real-world assets. Think of DPIN, okay? Think of like DPIN, GPU, computer power, you know, sharing the power of computers. You know, I won't go in depth because it's not that kind of video. Not yet. There's many more videos that you can go and see. But what I'm saying is, don't be discouraged by whatever downtrend or whatever uptrend. Me personally, I'm not a trader. I am not a trader. I am an investor. But I love trading. I like trading. It's fun. You can make a little bit extra money faster. Everyone loves that. But the long-term aspect, think about it stock-wise. Stock-wise. Invest in it long-term. Know that the institutions, the banks, the president, the House of Representatives, and everybody is going to make laws and regulations and push this technology into the limelight. And you have to be first. You have to be right there in the gutter, in the trenches. Like, no one cares about you in this space. But when it's a bull market, everyone cares about you because it's a bull market and you're winning. But it's a bear market and everyone's losing. So be easy and stay true to your convictions. The bull market will come. Don't sell your crypto. And if you did, start dollar cost averaging. Start thinking about the future. Start thinking about 2030. Start thinking about 2050. Start thinking about 2090. You know, I'll be 90 years old. In 2050, I'll be 50 years old. So you probably know my age. In 2030, I'll be 30. It's a wonderful thing. Blockchain technology.